how you can clear your queue on Spotify app. Now, before we move on with that, if you're new to our channel, go down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our upcoming videos. Now, let's just start. First, just open up your Spotify. Now, after you opened up your Spotify, you can just play your song however you want. And after you've played your song, just open this on full screen. Now, after you've opened it up on your full screen, what you need to do is just go to your queue button that's on the bottom right. Now, there you can see all the songs on queue. Now, what you need to do is in the next in queue space, right besides it, you will see clear queue button. Just tap on clear queue and you have cleared your queue on your Spotify. So that is pretty much it, guys. It's really easy. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, just go down below and subscribe. And thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.